How to enable the repair mode in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can enable repair mode. So if you don't know about repair mode, then repair mode is a special mode that limits the use of your mobile device while your phone is being sent to repair. So if you have given your phone for a few days in order to get repaired, then it makes sure that the particular person who is repairing your device does not access your personal or private data and can only access basic limited features. So let me show you how you can enable the repair mode in your Android device if it is supported. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply enable or open your settings. So you can do that by tapping onto the app icon and it will launch the settings. Now under settings you can simply search for repair mode if you want by typing in this, and you will see under here I can find the repair mode. Or if you want to come to this page by not searching for this, then you will need to scroll down and simply find this option, that is system and update. So simply go here, and from here you can see this repair mode. So tap here and now you can see this is repair mode. To enable this, you can read all of the details right here and then click onto this enter repair mode, and then your mobile will be restricted and it will require your password to disable this. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.